In this tutorial, we will learn about editing Civil 3D points. We can do it in multiple ways. One is to use Modify tab in the top ribbon. Go to the ground data panel and select points. In the Modify panel, you can see multiple options for editing Civil 3D points. Click on this list points to open panorama window. This is where all Civil 3D points are stored that we have imported in this drawing. Here you can see the properties associated with those points: point number, easting, northing, elevation, and description. If you want to make changes to any of the properties, you simply need to double click and write the new value. Let's say I want to change the point number from 4 to 21,000. I simply double click, enter new value, click on this green button to apply changes. And once that window is disappeared, you need to regenerate your drawing so the changes are reflected in this drawing. Another way is to simply click the points button in the prospector, and here in the preview you can see that the same list is appeared, and here is the 21,000 that we have just updated. You need to right click and refresh to update this list, and at the bottom you see this is our new point, or the point that we have just changed. You need to right click and zoom to that particular point. This is the point that we have updated. Previously it was 4, now it is 21,000. Similarly, you can make changes to all the points. Another way is to right click the points and select edit points, and again you will enter into the same panorama. If you want to delete any of the points, you simply need to select that point and press delete, and it will delete that point. If you want to lock these points in order to avoid any unwanted changes, you need to go to the Modify tab in the points. Here you can see lock points option. Click it and it will ask whether you want to lock all the points, certain number of points, a group of points, or certain selection of points. If you click all, it will lock all the points. Now if we select this point and press delete, it won't delete because this point is locked, and if I want to move it, I can't because again the point is locked. Similarly, all the points are in lock state. If I want to unlock it, again I need to go to this points in ground data panel and select unlock points. Again it will ask whether I need to unlock all the points or certain number of points. If I select selection, it means only the points I select will be unlocked. Press enter, and if I try to move it, you can see I can easily move these 2 points, and rest of the points cannot be moved because they are still in locked state. So this is how you edit points in Civil 3D. In this tutorial, we will learn about exporting Civil 3D points. In previous tutorials, we have learned how to create or import points using an external point file. For exporting points to an external file, we simply need to go to the Prospector tab, right click points, and select export option. In this window, it will ask the file format that you need to be exported. I need it to be exported as PENZD, delimited. I will select the point format. In the destination file, I need this browser button, and this is my destination folder. I will write survey data new. Simply we need to click open and select OK. This is how we export Civil 3D points to an external file.